Good morning, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. Today's video we're going to be doing angry headlights on the Expedition, and we're also going to be painting those front hooks bright red to modernize the hooks, the look of the front bumper I guess, and we're going to also test out the tail light tint on the front of the headlights to see if we can make angry headlights and maybe it come out a little bit cleaner and a little bit more professional looking than like the Plasti Dip on my truck did. So first we're going to start getting those hooks off, painting those, then we'll move on to the headlights. Ow. So you actually don't want to remove these all the way, the second bolt, because there's like a plate in it that they bolt to, so we're just going to loosen the second one after all. Like that. And drop it on your hand. Alright. Kind of see we got to clean this. We're not going to paint it just like it is. I mean, you grab yourself a nice greasy rag and you can polish it up a little bit, and actually that looks like, yeah, maybe that's actually, yep, we'll do that. So we're going to polish this thing up and then we'll get to spraying some paint on it. And just like that, it is practically restored. Got a few little scrapes and scuffs on it, but you know, the rag, that's actually not grease, that smells like cat piss. It isn't going to get those out. You got to sand those. Now, am I going to sand them? No, we're going to paint it. Now, a guy probably once said, don't paint this close to your house, but my house is green, and I'm going to paint it one day anyway, so I'm just going to hope oh, wow. Do you see how that looks? A little bit of orange peel, that's fine. We'll just do a nice light coat. See, we got a little bit of orange peel. That's actually not too bad. I think this will work really well. You wouldn't believe it. I actually found a purpose for those hippie bottles. Check that out. It's like perfect. That's actually its third coat. It definitely is going to, we got a lot of orange peel there. That damn cat piss rag isn't working very well. Oh, that's just... Are you a friendly cat? Where are you going? Huh. Well, I decided to hang it up to do the final coat on the bottom, so that looks good. I'm still letting that dry. Now we're going to start on these angry headlights, which is probably what you're all here to see. Now, I've never actually used this tint. My wife did, and I had no idea how it went as far as overspray and everything. Passed it all off, so hopefully we won't get too much overspray all over it. One trick you can do with these is you could take yourself a Expo or dry erase marker and make your line, figure out what you're wanting to do. Now, I had a newspaper to mask this off, but that blew away or something. I don't know where it went. The cat took it. But we're all masked off. We're going to do a first coat, then we'll do a second coat, then we'll probably see how dark it is, and if it's dark enough, we'll just take that all off. Okay, first coat done, and yeah, this stuff sprays a whole lot of overspray. So this Rust-Oleum lens tint, it's actually pretty good stuff, though. First coat's on, it's all even. I mean, that's probably good enough right there, but I'm going to put probably 2 more on there just to give it a little darker. Here you can see the aftermath of doing it. It's actually pretty good. It still has to dry a little bit more, but it did really well. It did better than the Plasti Dip on my truck. So the only thing is, when you're using this stuff and you do a few coats, you can see it kind of peels it up a little bit, but not too bad. The Plasti Dip did way worse. Looks really good. It's not pitch black, so light should still shine through it. It's pretty good. I like it. Look, this is temporary, remember, we're going to put new headlights in it anyway. So now let's get this side done, and we'll put the other hook in the other side. Alright, I did actually find that newspaper. It was in the Expedition, typical. Now you could actually stop at this coat. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see through it just a little bit, and that actually wouldn't look too bad. I mean, if you wanted to, you can, but I already went a little too far on this one. I mean, you could still see through it a little bit. But what do you guys think? Does that look good or what? We got all of this masked off. We're about to do a third and final coat, and then this side will be done. And we're waiting for this dang hook to dry over here. But this side, it ran a little bit on the bottom. You can't really tell because this will be on the back, but the front looks fantastic. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? So next we should be doing a grill and or light bar. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one where we'll be doing some more transforming on the Expedition. What is it? It's morning. Good morning, welcome. I'll take the second one out. Why not? Ow, that thing actually weighs a lot. So that we got these beautiful heavy-duty breaking hand hooks, while you're sitting here drinking your hippie water, that already looks 10 times better. Come back. As far as overspray and everything, so I'm not going in exactly blind because I had this all over it. Yeah, that's the problem with doing stuff outside. You get crap all over it right over. Oh, good, it's already dry. Sweet. Well, this video will be just done in probably about 5 minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna name it now. And just like that, it's oh dang, Rust-Oleum. American accents, and that's what really sold me on it when they said American Rubicons, Gladiators, and oh, read all directions before beginning project. Well, it's hard to read them when they're covered in paint, but